Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. Have you ever wondered how you can enable this yellow circle with your mouse cursor and you need it and you try to find out this option but you can find it in mouse setting. So let me quickly show you how you can enable it or how you can have it. For that we need to download a software which is known as Pen Attention, and let me quickly show you few of its setting and then I will show you from where you can download it. In fact, I will put the link of the software in the description of this video so that you can directly download it. So here we can see the customization setting of this option where one can choose their favorite color. And if I click on apply, then here we can see the color now being changed to this pinkish. Now let me select this blue color and again apply. Now you can see this color became blue. If you want to increase or decrease the radius, here we have got the option and here we can see the preview. If I click on apply changes, then I will see the reduction in size of radius or dia of the circle. In the same way, if we want to create a rectangle, you can select this rectangle and click on apply, and here we can see this rectangle. Let's say you do not want this to be squarish, then here you can make some adjustment, and the same you can see it here on the right hand side as a preview. And if you click apply, then you can. So in this way you can create the perfect ideal highlighter for your scenario. So I'm just keeping it back to yellow because yellow is a good highlighting color, and then again I will be selecting circle and I'm going to make it a little bit large. So like this you can create it, and here you can see how you can enable or disable it. So let's say you want to keep a shortcut of this highlighter, like for example sometime you need it or sometime you don't, so you can enable it. So here we have got two shortcuts available. One is Control plus F9 and another one is Control Alt and F9. So based on your requirement or based on how you like, you can choose it and then click apply change. Now we're going to close it. Now let's say I want to disable this highlighter, then I will be just pressing Control and F9, and in this way this highlighter will get disabled. If again I need it, I can simply press Control and F9 and now it is back. So in this way you can enable or disable it. Okay, so this Pen Attention tool actually start with your window, so you do not need to worry about, like, even if you restart your window and you try to find out where actually this setting is, so you can easily find it here in notification area. Now let me quickly show you the website from where you can download it easily. Here we go. Here is the website. So I'm going to keep this link in the description of this video so that you can directly access it. And now you need to click here on Pen Attention. So after it successfully get downloaded, what you can do is simply run the setup and you are good to go. So this is the setup and you just need to press next, next and next, just like this. In this way you can successfully install it. It is just asking us to restart our computer, but I won't do it as of now because I'm just creating this video. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.